How to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. So let's get started. Now whenever you are trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network, you're having problem and it says Wi-Fi disabled, then here's how we can do it. First of all, open up your Wi-Fi settings in your mobile device. Now try to switch your Wi-Fi connection with some other Wi-Fi network and check whether the problem is due to the Wi-Fi network itself or is within your Android device. So disconnect your current network and then try to connect with some other network, and if you're able to connect, that means you have a problem within your Wi-Fi connection. You can try to use your mobile data or your hotspot as well. Now if that's not your case and you're having problem due to your Android device, so first of all, you have to simply turn off your Wi-Fi toggle and then turn on once again, and after that connect your Wi-Fi. If not, go to that Wi-Fi settings and from here forget this Wi-Fi connection. After you forget it, type in your password and then try to connect again. If that still doesn't help you, what you can do is check whether you have any software update pending in your Android device, and due to those updates also you might have a problem. So go back and open up your settings in your mobile device again. From here scroll down a bit and then go to system. From here you will find a software update. Now if you have any new version of your software available, then tap on install now, and once you install or update your software in your Android device, then you might be able to fix your problem. And if that still doesn't help you, then the last option will be simply to restart your device. So press and hold your power button and from here tap and restart. Once you restart it and once the device is open, now open up your Wi-Fi settings and try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So these are the way to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.